Hey guys, we're going to continue here with chapter 9, section 2. We're going to talk about finding volumes of prisms and cylinders. So what you're going to learn today is to find the volumes of prisms and cylinders. Let's go ahead and get going in here. Alright, so you need to pause and copy all this down. It says the volume is the number of unit cubes or cubic units needed to fill a solid. The way you find the volume of a prism is the area of the base, that's why it's a capital B, times the height. For a cylinder, you find the area of the base using a circle area formula, and then multiply it by the height. So the big thing for both of these is going to be identifying what is the base. Alright, so make sure that you have all this copied down. Let's keep going here. Great nursery sign, it's spring! We are so excited, we wet our plants. Just going to let you sit on that one for a moment because I really enjoy it. Okay, so find volume of a triangular prism. That doesn't make any sense. Let's just say finding volume of a triangular prism. It says find the volume of it. So the first thing we have to do is find the area of the base. And you should know, but just in case you don't, to find the area of a triangle, it's 1/2 times base times height. So to find the area of this triangle, I'm going to have 1/2 times the base, which is 4, times its height, which is 3. And that equals, let's see, that'd be 2 times 3 is 6. So that is the area of the base. Now in order to find the volume, I have to multiply it by the height, which in this case is going to be this 7 right here. Alright, so to find the volume, remember volume is base, capital B, times height. So the volume for this particular one is going to be 6 times 7. So the volume of that prism is going to be 42. Alright, not too bad on this. The big thing is just going to be able to know the area of the base. Alright, so here's one for you to try. Go ahead and pause. The answer will be up in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so here's what I got. Rectangular prisms are really nice, by the way, because you just end up multiplying all three of these numbers together. 6 times this times this. That only works for rectangular prisms, but it does work. Let's keep going. It says find the volume of the cylinder below. So the first thing I'm going to have to do is to find the area of the base. Okay, the area of the base of a circle is going to be pi r squared. Now when I go and substitute this in, I don't have a radius, I have a diameter, so I have to cut that in half. So that's going to be 5. I don't know why I wrote that down there, but you get the idea. Let me fix that. That's going to bother me. There we go. So this is going to be pi 5 squared, which equals, I'm going to write this in terms of pi, which means I'm going to leave the pi here. So I have 5 squared is 25, and then I just write pi after it and treat that as if it's a variable. That's my area. Now to find the volume, remember that is the base times height. So my base is 25 pi. And then my height is 80. So I do 25 times 80, which equals 2,000. And then to find an approximation, I could go ahead and put this in my calculator, multiply by 3.5, or 3.14, and I get approximately 6,283.19. Alright, so that is the approximate value of it. It says the nearest cubic centimeter, so I would say 6,283. Alright, centimeters cubed. Okay, so let's keep going here. So here it says find the volume of the cylinder below to the nearest cubic millimeter. Go ahead and pause. The answer will be up in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so here's what I got. Check what you got against mine, and if you made a mistake, try to find it and fix it. That's it today. Extra short lesson, so that's good news. Hopefully you took good notes. See you all in class.